Now let's do a problem that focuses more on arc length. The pie chart shown with radius r shows a breakdown of the number of Worldwide Wicked Inc. employees by department. If the inscribed angle of the sector representing the marketing department is 1/10 the number of employees in the marketing department, which of the following expressions represents the arc length of the marketing sector? So, to start, if you do not understand the reference of Worldwide Wicked Incorporated, I would say ask your parents. Or really, unfortunately, I should say probably ask your grandparents. Next, let's see what this is talking about. So it is asking us for the arc length of the marketing sector. So we have a bunch of sectors here. We only care about this one, the marketing sector. We want its arc length. So let's say we'll label the arc length as AB. So how to find that? We need to find the central angle, which is this angle here, of the marketing department. So we can imagine redraw this sector by itself. We are looking for this central angle here. And they said you have 440 employees in the marketing department. And then they told us something about the inscribed angle, right? They said the inscribed angle for the marketing department is 1/10 the number of employees in the department. So the inscribed angle, they did not show us. So you have to draw that or visualize it. That would be the angle that intersects the circle at the same points. It goes all the way to the edge. So they said the inscribed angle is 1/10 the number of employees in the marketing department. That would be 44 degrees. Means the central angle here is 88 degrees. And we want to find this arc here. So the central angle, as we said before, is the one that matters. This was 88 degrees. So this arc length here should be a portion of our circumference all the way around our circle, which is just 2 pi r. What portion will that be? Well, it should be 88 over 360 of 2 pi r. Now, a couple of things to note. They tell us that the radius, our circle has a radius of r, but then they don't really give us any information to solve for r. So we should not necessarily be trying to do that. And in fact, if you look at your answer choices, they are all in terms of r. So really the only point of mentioning this is so that all of our answer choices could be labeled consistently. So here I am really done. I have an expression for this arc length that is in terms of r. And so my answer choice should really just be a simplified version of this. And so let's start simplifying this. So I can say 2 over 360. That is the same as 1 over 180. Cancel these out. We got 88 over 180 times pi r. And here, it looks like all of our answer choices are in terms of pi r. So I can either estimate this, but I don't think that's necessary. That shouldn't be hard to simplify. I can divide the top and the bottom here by 2. That would give me 44 over 90 pi r. Divide by 2 again. I get 22 over 45 pi r.